Students, last class we saw Java array list, and in Java array list we had discussed these methods, these 7 important methods. Today we are going to discuss some of the methods which are again important to Java array list, that is iterator method, list iterator method, get method, set method, fine, and sort method. So at first, see what the iterator method does. See students, previously we came to know how the data of a array list can be printed. So let me show you the program we did last time. There is a program here. There is a program here which we learned last time. In this program, what happened? I took a array list object, I took list, and I have added to the array list mango, apple, grapes, guava, banana. All these I just added to the list. Thereafter I want to print them, which already we learned how we used to print previously. System.out.println list. List is the object where I added all these 5 items. So these items now I want to print it. So let's check the output. Let's check the output. See, the result will come like this within a square bracket. So it represents that the data what it is showing that belongs to array list. But what about if we wish to print it within a loop? Inside, if we keep the data within a loop and we want to print it in reverse order according to our own way, how can we extract a single data from the array list? How can we set a data, a new data to a array list? So all these we are going to learn in this section. So the iterator method, iterate means either it can increase or can decrease, as we learn in looping structure. So what does the iterator method? Now Java ArrayList.iterator returns the iterator over elements in the list. An iterator is an object that can be used to loop through collections. So collection is nothing but the group of data, and from there the iterator can take the data one by one, extract the data one by one, and can keep a variable, keep in a variable, keep in an object, so that we can print them individually, sequentially. We can sort them, we can arrange them in sorted order. Fine. It is called an iterator because iterating is the technical term for looping. So it means how using looping we can iterate them. That is what we are going to learn via iterator method. So let's go to the example and see. So this is the example which we learned in last class. So in this case, what I am doing, till this all of you understood, as it is just printing the data like this. It is not iterating the whole amount of data, it is just putting on screen. But how we can print them according to our wish? So here I made the statement as list of fruits. I gave a heading. Thereafter I took the class name as iterator. Then it is a string type, that's why string is written, because all the data has been kept within double quote. Here also the time of creating the array list also I have taken string. So string type is written, and the object name I took here itr. Then I wrote list iterator. List iterator is what? List is this all. List the object is nothing but this all. So this all are getting stored in the variable or in the object itr, and itr is belongs to the iterator class. Thereafter what I am doing, when all the data gets stored in the iterator, then we need to print them one by one using a loop. That is what we are learning via iterator. So I took here itr.hasNext. HasNext will return a boolean value, boolean return type. Is there any data next to the present data? If it is yes, then it will perform this task. If it is no, then it will come out of the loop. It will come out of the loop. So ITR is the object here where all the data gets stored. Now I'm doing here what? Now has next I am asking. Has next. It means I'm asking, is there any data left in ITR? It will start from the beginning. It will start from the 0th index. So now string ITR.next. It means whatever the data will be there in the ITR, the first data, that will come to the variable I. Fine. Thereafter the I, the value we are printing. We can print simply system.out.println like of I. So it will print the first data which is kept in the object ITR. So in object ITR, what is the first data kept? Whatever the first data you kept in list. So what data you kept in the list? Mango. So mango came to ITR first. Then when it print, mango will be printed at first. Then as it is a loop, it will go to up to continue. Is there any data? Yes, there is data. So next data will come to I and will be printed. Next data is apple. So this is how the loop will continue until unless the value of this method is true. Has next will return true or false, a boolean value. So whether until unless it is true, it will keep continue the loop and will keep printing the output, keep giving us the result. Let's see the output. It is compiling. Yeah, the output is coming. You check. This is through list we are printing. For this is the statement we wrote here. And in this case, what it is doing, this is through via loop we are doing. For this, we have written all this. Using while loop I did here. In next program, I will show you through for loop how we can do it and how we can reverse it as well. We can see. So this is what, these are the data getting printed through this while loop. Fine. So it is collecting the data as well as it is printing. Not only that, we can make some statement also here like item number. We can specify here item number. What we can write here? We can give a variable item number A is. We can give a variable like this also. So what is A? We can specify here one integer variable A as 0, and we can write here the value of A. The value of A we can declare as already declared, sorry. So we can print it. Here I forget to end the quote. So it is done. I can do here A++. So let's check. Yes, it is printing. Item number 0 is mango, item number 1 is apple. So this is how also we can print it via loop. As I told, we can change our own way of printing. We will have the ability of changing our own way of printing if we are using the concept of iterator, as we are learning iterator method. Fine, students. So in next video we will learn list iterator and get method and set method.